In the Old Testament, in the Song of Solomon, chapter 5, verse 16, in the Hebrew language, it reads, it says, Hikko mamittakim vi kullo Muhammadim zahdudi vi zahra'i bainat Jerusalem. Song of Solomon, chapter 5, verse 16. The word Muhammadim is Muhammad, im, I am im. Im is a plural of respect in Hebrew. In the Gospel of St. John, chapter 16, where it says, nevertheless I tell you the truth, Jesus says, it is expedient for you that I go away. For if I go not away, the Comforter will not come unto you. But if I go, I will send him. And when he is come, he will convict the world in respect of sin and of righteousness and of judgment. Of sin, because they believe not in me, and on and on. He says, if I don't go, the Comforter will not come unto you. We say that Comforter is Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This says no. Jesus didn't say Muhammad. He said Comforter. We are asking, did Jesus speak English? Did he say Comforter? He says no. He spoke Hebrew. That's his mother tongue. Then he said, what did he say? You haven't got it. In other languages, in the Arabic language, nearest to Hebrew, the same verse reads, لَكِنِّي أَقُولُ لَكُمُ الْحَقُّ إِنَّهُ خَيْرٌ لَكُمْ إِنْ أَنْتَلِكَ لِأَلَّهُ إِلَّمْ أَنْتَلِكَ لَا يَأْتِيكُمُ الْمُعَزِّ وَلَكِنْ إِنْ ذَهَبْتُ أُرْسِلْهُ إِلَيْكُمْ. He used the word mu'azzi. I said, did you speak Arabic? He says, no. I said, what did he say? In Afrikaans, the word there is truaster. I said, did you speak Afrikaans? He says, no. What did he say? In Zulu, it says, Togazisi. I said, did you speak Zulu? Yours Jesus? He says, no. I said, what did he say? In 2,000 different languages, you can buy the Bible today. 2,000. And in 2,000 different languages, there are 2,000 different names. What did he say? Did he say Muazzi? Did he say Comforter? Did he say Truster? Did he say Togazisi? What did he say? The Quran says he said Ahmad, which is another name for Muhammad. But since you have lost the term, the name is lost. No sense in me pushing it down the throat. You say, look, it was Ahmad, another name for Muhammad. No. I have yet many things to say unto you, but ye cannot bear them now. Howbeit, when he, the Spirit of truth, is come, he will guide you into all truth. For he shall not speak from himself. For what things shall he hear, that shall he speak, and he shall declare unto you the things that are to come. He shall glorify me. 8 masculine pronouns in one verse. I say, it ill befits a ghost. You agree? That is a man, a man, a man, a man. 8 times. There is not another verse in the whole Bible with 8 masculine pronouns or 8 feminine gender or 8 neuter genders. There isn't. This is a unique verse for a unique personality, Muhammad. Man, 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 not a ghost, not a spook. In the first epistle of John, chapter 5, verse 4, he says, Beloved, believe not every spirit, but try the spirits whether they are of God. For many false prophets have gone out into the world. So false spirit is a false prophet is a false spirit. True prophet is a true spirit. St. John is using spirit for a prophet. Don't believe every spirit. Don't believe in every prophet. The spirit, it says, that confesseth that Jesus is the Christ is of God. Means the prophet that says that Jesus is the Christ, is the Messiah, is from Allah. That's what John says. I said, well, find out whether this spirit, this prophet, Muhammad, does say that Jesus is the Christ. Open Surah Ali Imran, chapter 3, verse 45. It says, وَإِذْ قَالَتِ الْمَلَائِكَةُ يَا مَرْيَمُ. So behold, the angel said, O Mary, إِنَّ اللَّهَ يُبَشِّرُكِ بِكَلِمَةٍ مِّنْهُ. That Allah gives you glad tidings of a word from Him. Ismuhul Masih. His name will be the Messiah. Translated, Christ. Muhammad said, is he the Christ? Yes. That's what every Muslim believes. on the testification of the Holy Prophet Muhammad. 1,000 million Muslims of the world, they believe that Jesus is the Christ. He says the spirit that confesseth, the prophet that says that Jesus is the Christ is of God. Why don't you apply this to Muhammad?